Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Inspiring Charm, and today I want to show you what I'm up to. Guys, I've been doing a lot of stuff since the quarantine, and this is another one of mine. I started my my balcony garden. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, I am on my balcony, and this is my little garden. So I have some peppers going here. They're a little bit crowded right now, so we need to transplant that one. You can see my pepper. This goes to show you that whatever situation you face, you can make the best of it. So this is spinach, this is squash, this is tomato. Yes, another spinach coming up there. This is my tomato plant, and you can see a little baby coming up there. Yes, this is one of my pepper plant. I had transplanted this from the original pot, the one that I show you first, and you can see how well these are growing fast, rapidly. This is my Jamaican callaloo. This also, I've eaten from this one already. You can see where I cut that. It doesn't matter your circumstances, you can and you will accomplish whatever you set your mind out to. This is my biggest tomato plant, and I don't know though, it only has two fruits on it, huh? So for my tomatoes, I noticed at the beginning they were like dying, and so I mixed some aspirin in water and I watered them, and they came back. So the leaves were turning yellow, as you can see here. I have two more tomatoes coming up there, and over here I have my kales. Oh, I love a good kale salad. I have eaten from these already. What I did, I cut the more mature leaves, and now they're ready to cut again. So today we're going to be transplanting some of our peppers. We're going to be adding some more soil to my plants. Guys, I want you to know that life is a journey. Oh, you can see the subway train. Look, I live right next to the subway station, and that's the train right there. I am on the 9th floor. Yes, isn't that a beautiful scenery outside today? So that's what we're talking about. I'm going to be transplanting my my peppers into a bigger pot so that they can grow more. And let's get to that. So I'm adding soil to this one because the roots needed a little bit more soil to cover it. Don't be afraid to get dirty, like get your hands dirty, because that's where your So here I have my sweet pepper plant, and we're going to transplant them into this. So as I was saying before, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty for the right reason. If it is going to heal success, I'm not saying that you should go out there and do dirty things though, that are not legitimate, but whatever you set your mind to and you work towards achieving, you can achieve. I hope you're being inspired by whatever I'm doing, and therefore implementing some of my strategies and some of my my recommendations to make life a little bit better. So I'm going to take out one plant from this. I think I should take, oh, it's 4 plants. Ooh, there are 4 plants in this one, so I should take out at least 2 to give it some space. Plants love a lot of space, water, and sunlight to grow. I have your spearmint. This thing spread like wildfire. My word, it's spearmint. Yeah, I'll show you a video. I'll insert a video of when I just bought these and how rapidly this particular plant has grown. So this is our first potting of the sweet pepper in its new pot, and we're using this soil to repot our plants. Repotting another one here. So we're breaking up the soil in order to get the pepper plant going. So I'm going to go in and take out the middle plant here. And you want to take it out with the root attached to it, so as not to disturb the plant. Perfect. So this is it with the root attached and all. Now we're going to put it in the pot and add some more soil around that. So this is the first pepper plant, second one to be transplanted. And I'm going to show you everything when they're all done. So see, the first one is taken away from here. Now I have to fill this in with new soil to add nutrients to the plant. Quarantine has taught us so many things and taught us how to become independent or self-sufficient with what we have. It has been a trying time for us, but through our adversity, let us make the best use and let us implement strategies and methodologies that will work for all of us in the future. I am on the 9th floor, and 9th floor you can see the other balcony. When I just came to Canada, I did not know that gardening was possible, and so everything here we had was to buy them. Like if you need a pepper, you had was to buy that. If you need a banana finger, you had was to buy that. So in me doing this right now, planting different crops on my balcony, it has been like the best thing that happened since quarantine. There you go again, another train going by. Life continues. That's what the train is saying. Despite the fact that you're home, there are others out there, especially the first responders, who still have to go to work. So let's be mindful of everyone's situation.
Food.
So in this bucket we have plant food mixture. So plant food with water, and now we're going to water our plants to ensure that they have the right amount of nutrients to start growing healthy and luscious. So we're going to go ahead and water all the plants, and we're only going to add this nutrients once every 2 weeks, not daily, so you do not want to burn the plants.
Unzip.
This is the name of the plant food that I'll be using. Miracle Grow water soluble all-purpose plant food. Grows bigger, more beautiful plants. You can see you can go into your local farm store or Lowe's, Walmart, wherever, Canadian Tire, Target, and find this. Hey guys, so one thing to take away from this experience is our lives are like plants. Whatever you feed it with, that you will produce. So ensure that whatever you're involved in, you nurture it, you cherish it, and you will reap your just reward. Remember to share my videos with your friends, and I'll come back and I'll show you when these babies are ready to eat. Bye for now. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm.